You do not have to listen to us. Just read the Quran and read the Seerah. You'll find out that there is not even a single iota of an example from the life of the Prophet ﷺ or any Sahabi that the current clergy is living right now. And every single Sahabi was moving towards growing the network, gaining the power, and making sure that going towards every part of the world, trying to save every single bits of humanity and saving the oppressed by the oppressor. And by fighting the oppressor, even if they have to. And they had to, and they did. And we're actually the exact opposite. Palestine is a symptom of this very disease. Palestine could not have come at a more beautiful time to train the generations that, you know what?
It's an inflection point.
Yeah, exactly. By the way, I call it the point of no return. Because if we go immune on Palestine, that means no Pakistan or Egypt or Yemen or anything. No one is going to save nobody now.
Yeah.